Welcome back for another adventure for Ethan and Allison travel videos. Right now we are trying to experience the Splash On water park. It's called a Splash On water park, as you can see in my back. So it's kind of like an inflatable obstacle course. You can actually register online or book a ticket online. There are only 2 spots for this water park. It's one in Orilla and one in Barrie. Right now we are in the town of Orilla. It's just 2 hours away from downtown Toronto. The splash pad as well, and a little bit of playground. There you go. And that's the registration area over there. And yeah, so that's the water park. Ethan is enjoying it. Allison's scared a little bit because it's a little bit cold though. So this is the beach area where the little ones can enjoy. What's nice is that they have change rooms as well over there. There you go. So if you guys are trying to look for something new this summer to experience for your kids, then might as well check this one out.
Guys, to get to the water splash you have to walk or swim across the beach so that you can get into the water splash. Hi! Are you done? We're done. Alright. Okay. Did you try the monkey bar?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over there. Try to go to the monkey bar. Woo! All right. Go, Ethan!
Oh, I can come back.
Okay, it's okay. So, how do you like it?
but there's no like you stand on the end.
Yeah.
And fly. There's nothing here because it's too shallow.
Okay. All right. So go over there and. Did you try this one, Ethan? Just go straight in. I didn't catch that. Whoa! Go. Oh!
Mommy just did like this.
Cool.
Mommy.
Oh, mommy did that? Okay, you run.
And go.
Okay. Okay, go. You want to try jumping over there?
It's okay, go. Yeah, good.
Whee! Okay. Oh, it's a little bit. Ooh. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a little bit wobbly because of the wind, but yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, run, 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 run! Okay. Okay.
So the other side, I guess you can hang on it, but this side, I guess you can, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Okay.
Alright, yeah.
Go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Slippery. Okay. Oh yeah. How about yeah. Go. Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Try jump.
Run for it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Step one of them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's close.
Ready? Yeah.
Where did Allison fell? Over there?
So she what?
Allison fell over there.
What do you see over here? What do you
It's
think?
really good. It's really fun, but it's yeah, never mind. No, but it's fun here. You can enjoy everywhere. It's a little bit shallow, and yeah, well, it's kind of shallow. The thing is here it's shallow because we were looking forward to the edge when you fly from the, how do you say that? Kind of like a jump. Like
When somebody jump on the other
Yeah.
side and you.
Yeah, so when someone jumps and fly, but the thing is that it's too shallow, so they didn't. But yeah, it's really fun.
I think the obstacles is really challenging here.
Yeah, and it's a little bit slippery.